Are you having to manage areas of your manufacturing processes off system because the features you require are not available in standard Business Central? Clever Manufacturing Plus has been designed to bridge the functionality gaps in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, offering core manufacturing features and providing insights into your production performance. By seamlessly integrating with Business Central, Clever Manufacturing Plus enhances operational efficiency, streamlines processes, and provides advanced data analytics. This innovative solution empowers businesses to make informed decisions and optimize production workflows. With all of your core processes and data embedded into Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, you will be able to take back control of your manufacturing operations. The product offers the following features to streamline your manufacturing processes: engineering change control across BOMs, routings, and individual production orders. Track the use of tools that you use for manufacturing finished goods. Manage and output byproducts. And finally, visualize production order status and analyze patterns of component usage and machine performance.